What's good, y'all? Today we are cracking open the TP-Link VIGI C330 full-color bullet network camera. We're doing the full unboxing and installation, so let's get straight to it. First look out of the box. Build quality is solid and super clean. This bad boy is rocking an IP67 weatherproof rating. Heavy rain, scorching heat. It literally doesn't care. It's built to stay outside and grind. But here is the real flex. 24-hour full-color video at 3-megapixel resolution. Pitch black at midnight, doesn't matter. The high-end sensor and spotlights turn darkness into daylight, so you always get clear, colorful footage. Once it's locked in, let the built-in AI work its magic. It separates humans and vehicles from blowing leaves, so you don't get trash false alarms on your phone. Next level security, zero hassle. If you're trying to secure the premises properly, this is the wave. Drop a comment if you want the link, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.